Hey, what's going on guys? Big Bass Tony here with VentureTube. Today, I'm going to be going over some modifications that I'll be doing to my truck camper setup regarding my diesel heater that I just ordered. It's a Civil brand diesel heater, ordered off of Amazon, and I've watched a ton of videos with people doing modifications, but I've yet to see anybody figure out a way to plumb in the heat with the truck camper shell that doesn't have sliding windows. And I'll show you what I'm talking about here soon. I haven't received the heater yet, but I am gonna work on trying to figure out how I'm gonna get the heat in the truck without drilling into my camper. I do plan on keeping the heater on the outside of the truck, as most truck campers do. So you guys stay tuned. This video will not be about all the ins and outs of the diesel heater. There are tons of videos out there that show you that. Maybe I'll link some below. But this is the diesel heater I decided to purchase. Seemed like they're all about the same. Maybe not completely, but for the money, I think it's gonna do the job, and I'll be able to camp in some of this abnormally cold Texas weather, hopefully here soon, as soon as I get this diesel heater in. I may show you how to do a couple of modifications here and there, stuff that I think is worth doing just as a safety precaution. But again, this isn't a video about the diesel heater. This is a video about how I'm going to get this diesel heater to work with my style ARE camper shell. So guys, I hope this helps you out, and if it does, don't forget, hit the like button, and let's get this video started. Come on. All right, so as of now, guys, I have not received the actual diesel heater yet. Again, we're trying to figure out how I'm gonna plumb the heat into this camper shell. One of the things I've ordered is a 4-inch insulated ducting hose for the heater. From what I've read, the hoses that come with these diesel heaters are pretty much garbage. Plus I need a longer length because I'll be setting the diesel heater on the ground beside the truck camper, and I have to get it way up, obviously, into the truck camper shell. So there's a little bit of height here with this truck. It's a fairly tall truck with the camper shell. So let's open this up and see what it looks like. So again, this is it's insulated, and it's also a 4-inch. I believe what comes with the actual heater is a 3-inch. And from what I've read, you don't want to have many bends in your ducting because it can overheat your diesel heater. And the 4-inch obviously allows more airflow because it's literally more volume. Looks pretty good. Comes with 2 hose clamps. This is 8 foot long, so that should be plenty enough height to reach from the diesel heater to my camper shell. One other product I purchased is a little stainless steel 90-degree elbow. Comes with 2 hose clamps, but it's rigid, and this will go to the bottom of the diesel heater, and you have that 90 so you can vent your exhaust without trying to bend the hose that comes with the diesel heater. It does come with a piece, but from what I read, again, it's hard to bend and keep its shape, so I just ordered this. It was fairly cheap on Amazon, so I ordered this and the 4-inch ducting. I am going to order some new fuel line and a inline fuel filter for the heater, just as a preventative maintenance deal. Definitely want to play it safe, and I will also order a carbon monoxide tester for the inside of my camper shell. I'm going to give you a look really quick of what my dilemma is. Okay guys, let me bring you in closer. So as you can see, I don't have a sliding glass. I have the style where you turn with this knob. I think that's about all you're gonna get. Let's check on the outside. So yeah, that's as far open as she gets. So the idea is to take this hose and make it an oval shape, stick it in here like this, and then have something that seals the top and bottom of the glass. I don't know. It may or may not work, but we'll see. Well, I was rummaging through the garage and I found these old foam blocks from an old Hobie Pro Angler 14. This is what's inside the hole to give it support. So I can kind of cut these down, and also found this block. Maybe I can cut it down as well and see if I can fill the gaps around the window, and that may just be a simple fix. We'll see. I only have one piece of this, so I'm going to cut it at a direct diagonal so I can hopefully get both pieces for top and bottom out of this one block. We shall see. Okay, not too bad. 2 wedge pieces should go top and bottom, we'll see.